Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion. So you all are very well. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some smart, trendy, elegant collections only for you. So let me display pure handloom one. Very nice look. This one, baby pink base, 781 is saree code, 3500 is saree price. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen with beautiful fine embroidery design, golden zari border, pink base. This one is full base part, very nice one, smart, elegant looks. This one is pink base, premium quality, pure handloom, fine linen by linen, fine silk linen material. This one is pallu part, golden zari stripes material, stripes pattern, and this one is beautiful embroidery, fine embroidery design, premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen with golden zari border and fine embroidery design. This one is full base part, very elegant one, smart looks, baby pink base, golden zari border, fine embroidery design. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very smart, elegant one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this brocade work, synthetic material, brocade work, contrast blouse piece, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 3700 for your bright, elegant looks. This one also very gorgeous one, beautiful bright color. 782 is saree code, 3200 is saree price, pure handloom cotton silk material and full base part is beautiful heavy weaving design. This one is full base part, heavy weaving work, golden zari border and beautiful weaving design highlighted the border portions, and this one is full base part, pure handloom cotton silk material. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden shade with beautiful brocade work, heavy brocade work, pallu part. And this one is full base part, very beautiful one, bright color, golden zari border, highlighted weaving design, stripes pattern. And this one is running blouse piece, brocade work, running blouse piece. And this one is beautiful weaving design, heavy weaving design, base part and golden zari weaving, self weaving design, pallu. This one is pallu part, very bright one. And I will suggest this brocade work, synthetic material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3400 for your smart, bright, gorgeous looks. This one also very elegant one, gorgeous bright looks, bright fresh red. 784 is saree code, 4000 is saree price. Pure handloom matka with golden zari weaving jamdani design, peacock motif, very nice one. This one is full base part, soft, lightweight. This one is pure handloom matka base and this one is beautiful weaving design, golden zari weaving design, border portion. This one is border part, this one is border, this one is border, base is plain and beautiful weaving design border, very nice one, smart, elegant, bright looks. This one is full border portions, very nice one, fine weaving design, fully hand weaving, golden zari peacock motif design, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, bright red shape. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, peacock motif jamdani design, very elegant, bright, beautiful looks, based for your party wear also. I will suggest the silk material with self weaving heavy work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4600 for your bright, beautiful, elegant looks. Very beautiful one, beautiful sober color. 783 is saree code, 2700 is saree price, very nice one, smart looks, based for your office wear, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton stubble with beautiful printed one, very smart, elegant looks. This one is beautiful printed one, this one is border portion, contrast color printed border, and this one is full base part, very smart, elegant looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable, based for your office wear. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, fully printed pallu, very elegant one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton staple material. This one is pallu and this one is full base part, beautiful printed one, very soft, comfortable, smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3000 for your elegant exclusive daily looks. This one also, you know, very smart, elegant one, beautiful, bright looks. 7A T5 is saree code 3700 is saree price, very elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom, silk lane with beautiful weaving border design, very smart one. This one is, you know, silk lane material, and this one is fine golden zari weaving border design, very elegant one. And this one is full base part, beautiful fine floral embroidery design. This one is beautiful fine embroidery design, very nice one. And this one is pallu in golden zari stripes pattern, and this one is full base part, very elegant exclusive looks, beautiful weaving border, and this one is full base. And this one is, you know, beautiful fine embroidery design, very elegant one, premium quality, pure handloom, silk lane with embroidery design, very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is upper portions, beautiful embroidery work, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece, fully weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4100 for your elegant exclusive smart bright looks. This one is, you know, very exclusive one. 7A T6 is saree code 5800 is saree price, very nice one, pure handloom, pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving buta design. This one is, you know, full base part, pure resham silk, pure handloom resham silk with beautiful golden zari weaving buta design, very nice one. This one is full base part, fine fully hand weaving buta design, golden zari weaving buta design, and this one is border portions, highlighted golden zari stripes pattern, 1-inch border, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, jamdani weaving buta, pure resham silk, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari weaving buta design, and this one is full base part, transparent material, and this one is, you know, full base part, very elegant exclusive looks. This one is full base, beautiful color, pure resham silk with buta, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6000 for your elegant exclusive looks, outstanding, very beautiful one, beautiful printed one. 7A T7 is saree code 2400 is saree price, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton by cotton with beautiful Madhubani print, bright red shade base, and this one is, you know, full base part, bright red, and this one is border silver zari with beautiful contrast color Madhubani printed border portion, and this one is, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful Madhubani printed one, very nice one, bright red maroon red shade base, beautiful Madhubani printed border, silver zari border with Madhubani printed, and this one is beautiful pallu, very exclusive one, smart elegant looks, based for your office wear, very trendy looks. This one is full base part, this one is border portions, beautiful printed one, and this one is running blouse piece, different printed running blouse piece, and this one is full piece but very elegant, smart, trendy looks, bright also, based for your office wear, professional wear, very nice one. This one also, you know, beautiful color combination, same material, pure handloom, cotton by cotton with Madhubani printed. 7A T8 is saree code 2400 is saree price, beautiful color combinations. This one is, you know, full base part, silver zari with full base is beautiful Madhubani printed, silver zari border, Madhubani printed border, beautiful border, and this one is, you know, full base part is printed one, very nice one, soft, smart looks, based for your office wear. This one is, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully Madhubani printed one, very exclusive, smart looks, beautiful color, orange set with Madhubani set, pure handloom, cotton by cotton. This one is full base part. This one is border portions, contrast color, printed border, Madhubani printed border, and this one is running blouse piece. Very elegant one. This one is full base part, very smart, trendy, elegant looks. This one also very exclusive one, bright looks. 789 is saree code, 2700 is saree price, based for your office wear. Pure handloom cotton staple with beautiful printed one, black base, very bright looks. Let me open. This one is full base but black base, beautiful printed. And this one is border portions, contrast color, beautiful printed border, and this one is full base part, very nice one, soft, lightweight, smart, trendy looks. This one is running blouse piece, border black with border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, stripes pattern, different printed, contrast color, stripes pattern, different printed pallu, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks. Pure handloom cotton staple with beautiful smart printed one, very elegant, bright looks. And I will suggest this soft silk material with beautiful printed contrast blouse piece. With this saree, with this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3100 for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks. This one also very bright color, beautiful one, silk linen material. 78010 is saree code, 3500 is saree price, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen, orange shade, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful, fine embroidery design. This one is full base part, and this one is border, golden zari border, and this one is beautiful, fine embroidery design, very elegant looks, floral pattern embroidery work. And this one is running pallu part, golden zari stripes pattern pallu, very smart, elegant one. This one is plain running blouse piece, and this one is golden zari stripes pallu, and this one is full base part, fine embroidery design, golden zari border, and this one is full base part, very elegant, smart, trendy looks. This one is premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen material, very exclusive one with fine embroidery design. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy golden zari weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece. With this saree, with this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4100 for your smart, elegant, exclusive, bright looks. Very beautiful one, bright color, very nice one, pure handloom, cotton by cotton. 78011 is saree code, 2400 is saree price, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton by cotton, beautiful color, mustard yellow with contrast red border, very elegant one. This one is border portion, silver zari with beautiful Madhubani printed border, and this one is mustard yellow base, beautiful printed one, very elegant one, pure handloom, cotton by cotton. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful Madhubani printed pallu, very nice one. This one is beautiful one, silver zari with contrast red border and beautiful Madhubani printed border, very nice one, elegant, bright, beautiful looks. This one is beautiful border, and this one is full base part, fully Madhubani printed one. This one is full base part, very elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, different printed contrast color, and this one is full base part, very smart, elegant, bright looks. This one also beautiful one, pure muslin Banarasi, beautiful color. 78012 is saree code, 6000 is saree price, very nice one, pure muslin, pure handloom muslin with silver zari weaving Banarasi work, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, very nice one, elegant looks. This one is silver zari fine weaving, fully hand weaving Banarasi work border. This one is full base part, very nice one, smart, elegant one, silver zari work and fine weaving buta also. And this one is full base part, transparent, pure muslin with Banarasi weaving work, fully hand weaving Banarasi work, silver zari. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine silver zari weaving stripes pattern with buta design. Pallu very elegant one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. pure muslin Banarasi. This one is beautiful silver zari weaving work. This one is beautiful border design, silver zari weaving border, Banarasi border, and this one is pallu, pure handloom muslin Banarasi. This one is in a full base part, very elegant exclusive looks, soft, very soft, comfortable one, beautiful butta design. This one is full base part, transparent, silver zari border, and this one is running blouse piece, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks, based for your party wear, outstanding party wear, pure muslin Banarasi. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6500 for your elegant, exclusive, outstanding party looks. This one also beautiful one, beautiful looks also, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab with beautiful printed one. This one is full base part, mustard yellow shade with batik printed, and this one is contrast color border, silver zari batik printed border, contrast color printed border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, silver zari stripes with beautiful printed batik printed border, pallu. And this one is full base part, soft, comfortable, elegant looks, based for your office wear. This one is full base part, silver zari contrast border, batik printed, and this one is full base, and this one is running blouse piece, very smart, bright, elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2700 for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks. This one also same material, different color, very exclusive, bright one, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab, silver zari border, contrast border, and beautiful batik printed one. This one is full base part. This one is contrast color border, same material, different color, silver zari contrast border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also printed one, very nice one, smart looks. This one is full base part, very elegant one. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2700 for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks, very beautiful one. This one also same material, different color, very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab with batik printed one, beautiful color combinations also. This one is full base part, contrast border, purple shade, silver zari with contrast border, beautiful printed one, batik printed. This one is pallu part. Pallu also beautiful one, contrast color printed one, and this one is full base part, fully batik print, very nice one, contrast border, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab material. And I will suggest this soft silk material, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, elegant looks. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2800. This one also same material, cotton slab, different color, very nice one, silver zari border, and beautiful color also. This one is full base part, contrast border. This one is full base part, this one is contrast color border, silver zari with batik print, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, silver zari stripes with beautiful batik printed pallu, and this one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab material. This one is full base, very elegant, bright looks, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2750 for your smart, trendy, exclusive looks, for based for your office wear, daily wear, very smart one. Very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton by cotton with Madhubani print, very nice one. 7A T14 is saree code, 2400 is a saree price. Beautiful color combinations, bright yellow shade, mustard yellow shade, silver zari border, and beautiful Madhubani printed one. This one is border portion, silver zari with fine stripes pattern, beautiful printed one, and this one is full base part, bright mustard yellow shade, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, stripes pattern, fully Madhubani printed pallu, very nice one, smart, elegant looks. This one is pallu part, beautiful printed one. And this one is border portion, silver zari with beautiful Madhubani printed border. This one is full base part, very nice one, bright, smart, elegant looks. This one is beautiful printed border, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom, cotton by cotton with beautiful printed one. This one is running blouse piece, fully printed, very exclusive, trendy looks, bright daily office looks, very smart one. This one also, you know, beautiful one, pure handloom, cotton by cotton with weaving border, white base, very exclusive one. 78T15 is saree code, 1900 is saree price, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure white base, pure handloom, premium quality, cotton by cotton fabric with beautiful golden zari weaving border design. This one is beautiful fine weaving border, and this one is full base part, pure handloom, premium quality, cotton by cotton with beautiful trendy looks, beautiful silver zari fine weaving design border, sorry, golden zari weaving design border, beautiful one. And this one is, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari stripes pattern pallu with beautiful pom pom design. And this one is full base part, golden zari fully fine weaving border, white base, pure white base, pure handloom, cotton by cotton. This one is very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton by cotton with beautiful golden zari weaving design border, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, very smart, elegant, beautiful, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2300 for your elegant, exclusive, smart, trendy looks. This one also, you know, very nice one, pure handloom, cotton by cotton with beautiful printed one. 78T16 is saree code, 2400 is a saree price, very smart one, beautiful looks. This one is, you know, full base part, pure handloom, cotton by cotton, contrast silver zari border. This one is beautiful printed one. This one is border portions, contrast color, silver zari border, and this one is full base part, very smart, trendy looks. This one is, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, silver zari fine stripes with beautiful printed pallu. And this one is full base part, very smart one, based for your office wear, very elegant looks. This one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, different printed contrast color running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very smart one, beautiful, elegant looks. You know, very beautiful one, pure muslin Banarasi weaving work, very nice one, silver zari weaving work, pure handloom. 78T17 is saree code, 6000 only saree price, very beautiful one, baby pink light, baby pink base, pure handloom muslin with Banarasi weaving work, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, fully silver zari weaving Banarasi work. This one is, you know, full base part, beautiful one, silver zari weaving buta design, and this one is fine Banarasi weaving border, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, smart, elegant looks. This one is, you know, full base part, baby pink base, transparent, beautiful silver zari weaving buta design, full base part, and this one is border design, very nice one, smart, elegant one. This one is full base part, baby pink base, pure handloom muslin, pure muslin silk with Banarasi weaving work, silver zari weaving Banarasi work. This one is, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, pure muslin with beautiful silver zari weaving work, stripes pattern, silver zari weaving, and this one is pallu part, beautiful weaving buta design, very elegant, smart looks. This one is beautiful border design, silver zari weaving border, and this one is full base pallu part, and this one is full base part, soft, lightweight, transparent. This one is transparent, pure muslin Banarasi, silver zari weaving Banarasi work, very elegant one, you know, pink base with silver zari work, very elegant, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6500 for your smart, elegant looks, pure muslin Banarasi weaving work, fully hand weaving Banarasi work, very exclusive one. This one also, very beautiful one, based for your office wear, pure handloom, cotton by cotton with printed one, very exclusive. 780 18 is saree code, 2400 is saree price. Beautiful one. This one is, full base part silver saree border, and full base part is beautiful printed one, pure handloom, cotton by cotton. This one is full base part, very smart looks, and this one is, pallu part, pallu also stripes pattern, beautiful printed pallu. And this one is full base part, very smart elegant one. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, pure handloom, cotton by cotton, silver zari border, and beautiful printed. And this one is, running blouse piece, contrast color printed running blouse piece. And this one is full base part, very elegant one, based for your office wear, smart trendy looks. This one also, very beautiful one, checks pattern, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with multicolored checks, beautiful one with weaving work buta. And this one is, full piece part, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane. This one is silver zari border, multicolored checks with beautiful fine weaving buta design, very nice one, smart trendy looks. This one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, silver zari stripes pattern, stripes with checks pattern pallu. And this one is, full base part, beautiful trendy checks, silver zari highlighted box with beautiful weaving buta, very smart one. This one is silver zari border, very elegant looks, beautiful color also. This one is full base part, very nice one, smart trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, brocade work, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2900 for your elegant exclusive trendy looks. This one also, very nice one, beautiful looks, beautiful color also. 78020 is saree code, 3700 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen material with beautiful fine embroidery design, beautiful color also, golden zari border. And this one is, full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful fine embroidery design. Base is premium quality silk linen. And this one is, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine golden zari stripes pattern pallu with beautiful embroidery design, very elegant one. This one is full base part, this one is border portions, fine embroidery design, golden zari with fine embroidery design. And this one is full base part, very elegant color combinations also, premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full border portions, golden zari with fine embroidery design, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4200 for your smart elegant exclusive looks, very beautiful one. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, multicolored checks, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane, silver zari border, and multicolored checks, highlighted silver zari lines, highlighted the checks. And this one is, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, silver zari stripes pattern, checks pallu, very elegant one. This saree price is 2500. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day. Thank you so much.